Good afternoon and welcome to the weekly press briefing of the Kosovo Specialist Chambers, where we aim to provide journalists with an update on the latest developments at the court, a look ahead at the next week, and the opportunity to ask questions. In the Thaci et al. Case, on Tuesday of this week, KSC President Trenda Filova assigned a constitutional court panel to rule on referrals by Jakub Krasniqi, Kadri Veseli, and Hashim Thaci, which were filed on 28 February. The referrals relate, among other things, to challenges against the KSC's jurisdiction, the legality of charging the mode of liability known as joint criminal enterprise, and alleged violations of fundamental rights. The President's decision assigning the panel and the 3 referrals to the Specialist Chamber of the Constitutional Court can be found on the KSC website. In the Piata Shala case, the 6th status conference is scheduled for tomorrow, 4th of March at 2:30 in the afternoon. During this pre-trial hearing, the parties are scheduled to discuss issues which include the disclosure of evidence by the prosecution to the defense, the status of investigations by both parties, and discussions among the parties on points of agreement on matters of law and fact. Next Tuesday, 8th March, a defense preparation conference has been scheduled in the Salih Mustafa case. To summarize the procedural steps in the Salih Mustafa trial so far, the prosecution has presented and closed its case, and the 13 witnesses called by the prosecution have given evidence before the trial panel. The next phase of the trial will focus on the presentation of the defense case. The purpose of next Tuesday's hearing is to facilitate preparations for the next stage of the trial. That was all from me. If there are any questions, I will be happy to respond.